welcome to the Amazon tropical rainforest biome. For one of my animals, I'm doing the blue poison dart frog. A good fact about the blue poison dart frog is that it has poisonous glands to release its poison for predators. Its blue skin serves as a warning. Another one of my animals, which is my favorite, is the woolly monkey. The good thing about the woolly monkey is that it's 11 to 18 pounds. It lives almost all of its life in the trees, and it eats lots of things like small mammals, reptiles, and amphibians. Another one of my animals is the leafcutter ant. A good thing about the leafcutter ant is that it has nice teeth to cut its leaves with. They have a mutualism relationship with fungi because they bring their freshly cut leaves to the fungi garden, and they get to eat the fungi, which is the only food that they can eat.
The Toko toucan. He lives in flocks up to 6 birds. He can lay 2 to 4 eggs a year. He can get up to 25 inches in height. He can weigh up to 20 ounces, and his beak can get up to 7.5 inches. So that's a little bit about my toucan, and yeah. Organism. It's called the emerald tree boa. It can get up to 2.2 meters long, and it lives up to 15 to 20 years in the wild. It eats pretty much whatever it can get, include like birds and insects maybe, and whatever else it can find. And that's a little bit about my emerald tree boa organism, and I'll see you all next time. It's called the aquatic Sicilian. It can get up to 50 inches long. Its predators are humans, snakes, and large birds. It eats insect larvae, and worms. So that's a little bit about this aquatic Sicilian, and yeah.
This is my 5th organism, the kapok tree. The kapok tree has an impressive size of 230 feet, 10 feet in diameter. It has big roots like this to help hold it up in case there's a flood. Bye-bye. This is my 4th organism. He weighs 550 pounds. He's the heaviest snake in the world, but because of his weight, he can't go that fast on land. So he spends most of his time in the water, and he can go extremely fast in there. You won't believe how fast he can go. This is my 3rd organism. It is called the kangaroo. Now, as you can see, kangaroo is transparent so that it won't be seen. But it has red in the bottom of it. That is the leftover blood of the last animal it fed on. Now the way it gets that blood is while the animal is breathing, it goes up their gills, and then it bites somewhere, and it starts sucking all the blood. Isn't that cool?
Hi! This is my 2nd organism. Now, it's called the squirrel monkey. The squirrel monkey has long fingers to reach into the trees and grab any insects that are hiding in there to eat. Also, the squirrel monkey lives in a pack of about 500, so that way they can all help each other.
Hello. This is one of my organisms. It is called the cacao tree. Now, the cacao tree has the ability to move its leaves at a 90-degree angle to protect the younger leaves and to get more sun. Now, also, this is called the cacao pod. Inside it are 40 to 60 cocoa beans embedded in white pulp. Now, the cocoa beans are the main ingredient in chocolate.
Yum. The organism that I made is the wild boar. The wild boar is an invasive species. It has negative impact on our biome by giving diseases to any animal that tries to eat it. It also messes up the food chain because because it's an invasive species, nothing knows how to hunt it and nothing eats it. It has no predators. And that's why the wild boar has a negative impact on the Amazon rainforest. The organism that I made is the monkey frog. The monkey frog spends most of its life in the trees, and as you can probably tell by the name, loves to jump around. My organisms, which is my favorite, is the white-tailed trogon. As you can see, it has a white tail with black designs, and that's why it's called the white-tailed trogon. The white-tailed trogon is a very territorial species that the males are very loud, and that's what they do to protect their territory. This is my organism, the passion flower. The passion flower is a red, purple, pink, or blue flower that usually grows on vines. It can get up to 8 feet tall, and the nectars at the top can be used as medicine.